day, everyone. My name is Analon Manginimba, and now um, I am assigning I will discuss about using spreadsheets in language learning. Let's do it. Okay, first is we have here objectives. First is utilize spreadsheets to create organized list of vocabulary words, definition, and example sentences for comprehensive vocabulary acquisition. And number two is evaluate and articulate the positive and negative effect of using spreadsheets in language learning. The third one is understand the use of spreadsheet in language learning by demonstrating the ability to organize vocabulary, track progress, create, and take interact activities. Now, what is a spreadsheet? So, a spreadsheet are versatile tools that can be used in language learning to organize vocabulary, track progress, and create interactive outcomes. So, there are essential ideas that teacher may consider doing when employing spreadsheets in the classroom. So, these are the teacher should consider. First is reinforce learning scientific and mathematical language in the fields. Reinforce. So, the teacher should reinforce learning scientific and mathematical language in the fields. These are the rule of the teacher. And the second is add well-designed charts and tables to reports to enhance student nonverbal reading skills. These are the crucial for the student to be learned. And third is teach the principles of financial literacy and management, as it is also important to learn these concepts in the context of life skills. Financial literacy is essential, of course. Budgeting, one of the important important thing that should student learn. And number four is let the student look for charts, learning materials like textbook, workbook, and others, and discuss why these were used. So we should have to introduce these things in order for our students to learn, and the teacher should discuss this textbook and workbook. Number five is explain numerical concepts by showing the relatively between numbers and their concrete representation in charts and graphs. Number six, let the student look for charts in learning materials like textbook books. Now, these are the benefits of the spreadsheets. First is spreadsheet helps learners structure language materials, making it easier to categorize and access information efficiently. So this is something that teach our student in order for them to be efficient in terms of collecting information. Another in the second passage is by recording and analyzing language learning data in spreadsheets, learners can monitor their progress and identify areas for improvements. Of course, if this the spreadsheets is beneficial for the students because they are able to identify what are the growth, of course, the things that they should have to improve. And the third passage spreadsheet allow for personalized learning experiences through customizing layouts, formats, and coherent based on individual learning pres- preferences. So the student learn will be learn about will learn about the hand-to-hand personalized or experience in terms of spreadsheet on how to use the spreadsheet. And now What are they using spreadsheet in language vocabulary? So using spreadsheets for language vocabulary, first passage is organize and categorize vocabulary for different topics or levels of proficiency, enabling effective vocabulary retention and recall. And the second passage is create interactive flashcards for language vocabulary with word in one side and in the transition of definition of the other, promoting active recall and memorization. So it helped them to create interactive activities. So in the third passage is design various language. So these are the usage, so they can design various language or different language. So design various language exercise like fill in the blanks, matching exercise, or sentence formation, providing practice opportunities for different language skills. And now, a personalized and customizes spreadsheet. So select the predefined themes and customize the appearance of the spreadsheet to create visually engaging and personalized learning improvement. And the second passage is utilize pre-designed templates or create custom templates for a specific language learning activities, ensuring consistency and efficiency in lesson planning and creation. Now, important external data sources, language resources, or vocabulary list into the spreadsheet for integration and utilization in language learning activities, expanding learning opportunities and material. Now, a successful implementation of spreadsheet in language learning. So, these are the successful implementations. Now, of course, explore how the use of spreadsheets in language learning has impacted students' language proficiency, vocabulary, reception, and communication skills. So these are the successful implementation. And the second one is examine the level of the student engagement, participation, and motivation fostered by integrating spreadsheet into learning activities and assignments. So we can examine, or the students will be examine also themselves. And the third passage is collect feedback from the instructor on the feedback benefits, challenges, and insights gained of incorporating spreadsheets into language teaching methodologies and assessment. So we can collect, so we can use the information that we collect is we can use it, of course, in order to implement the good implementations for the next implementation. And now is these are the innovative media tools, the online Microsoft Word alternatives. First, Dropbox Paper is a free online word processor offered by the cloud storage provider. Number two, for Microsoft Word and Office aficionados, the best possible free online alternative for their document edition needs is definitely Word Online, which comes as part of the Office Online. And number three, we have here Google Docs, allow you to create, collaborate, and share documents, spreadsheets, presentation, drawing, and event forms. Actually, I use this one. And the fourth one is Eth- Etherpad. Etherpad rather is an online document editor primarily intended for collaboratively editing, as the site claims real time. Now we have here in number five Zoho. I'm not familiar about it. So offers around 20 free online application including Writer for word processing. And number six, Open Office. The Open Office package actually includes six programs that all use same engage, making them inherently the same and extremely easy to learn and use. Now, Avi Word is a freely processing application very similar to Microsoft. So it is similar to Microsoft, and I mentioned number two, if I'm not mistaken. Now, eight, Zarty is based on Microsoft WordPad engine, but is the free, free guys. Remember, free.
It also has built-in spell checking, can export to HTML and PDF files. So it is useful in terms of spelling. Now, in conclusion, spreadsheets help in language courses by allowing teachers to use charts, graphs to present lessons, compute grades, and discuss data. They can handle text, dates, and other information useful for language activities. S- That's all. That that's all, classmates. And now, thank you for your listening. I hope you are doing well. God bless and thank you.